Welcome to Atlantean Astrology, where stars speak in silent codes and the universe unfolds like a sacred scroll. Here, we are more than seekers. We are voyagers through the timeless and the boundless, stepping beyond the veil of the visible. Join us on YouTube and TikTok, where each moment brings you closer to secrets hidden in the heart of eternity, truths whispered by the cosmos itself. Subscribe, not merely to follow, but to awaken. Let us open the celestial doorways together, unraveling the tapestry of the unknown, where light and mystery dance, waiting for the one who dares to see. Have you ever stopped to question the forces that govern our universe? The stars above, the invisible threads that hold everything together, gravity, time, space, are the foundation of our understanding of reality. But have you ever asked yourself, do these explanations truly make sense? Do they answer the deepest questions? Or are we simply accepting what we've been told because it's easier to follow than to think for ourselves? For over a century, we've been taught that gravity is the warping of space-time caused by mass, a pull that binds the planets, stars, and galaxies. But today I want to ask you a deeper question. Does this explanation feel complete? Does it truly explain the universe as you experience it? Think of a galaxy, its stars spinning in perfect harmony. According to traditional theories, the outer stars should drift away. They don't have enough mass to hold them in orbit, yet they stay. Scientists tell us this is because of dark matter, a mysterious substance that's never been observed, only theorized. Now ask yourself, are we filling gaps in our understanding with unproven ideas simply to make the equations work? This question was the beginning of my journey. It led me to challenge the traditional understanding of gravity and ultimately to write The Unified Theory of You, a transformative exploration of the universe that reimagines gravity, space-time, and the forces that shape our cosmos. What if gravity isn't a pull at all? What if it's a push, a force driven by unseen interactions between the subtle magnetic field and the relative vacuum of space? In traditional physics, magnetic fields are often treated as secondary forces, an afterthought in the grand cosmic design. But in the unified theory of you, I propose that magnetic fields are not just important. They are fundamental. They interact with the relative vacuum of space to create what we perceive as gravity. This isn't about mass alone. It's about the interplay of forces that go beyond the visible, beyond the measurable. Let me explain further. The subtle magnetic field, or SMF, extends far beyond the physical objects we can see. It's an unseen force that shapes the cosmos at every level, influencing how celestial bodies interact. Meanwhile, the relative vacuum of space, or RVS, is not a passive void but an active medium that responds to the SMF, creating dynamic forces that govern the structure and behavior of the universe. When we think of gravity this way, not as a warping of space-time, but as the result of interactions between magnetic fields and the vacuum of space, it opens up new ways of understanding the cosmos. It offers answers to some of the biggest questions in science. Why do galaxies rotate as they do? Why does the universe expand faster than we ever imagined? These mysteries, often attributed to dark matter and dark energy, can be reinterpreted through the lens of this new theory. But I'm not here to simply share my ideas. I'm here to ask for yours. I want you to think critically about what you've been taught. Does the traditional theory of gravity make sense to you? Are you satisfied with explanations that rely on invisible, unproven forces to fill in the gaps? Or do you feel there's something missing, a deeper truth waiting to be uncovered? Take a moment to write your thoughts. I want to hear from you. What do you think about the nature of gravity? Does the idea of gravity as a push, influenced by unseen magnetic forces, resonate with you? Or do you find it challenging to step outside the established paradigm? Your opinion matters. It matters because science isn't just about answers, it's about questions. It's about exploring the unknown, challenging the status quo, and being willing to entertain new ideas, even if they make us uncomfortable. If these questions spark something in you, if you feel a pull or perhaps a push, Toward a deeper understanding of the universe, I encourage you to explore the unified theory of you. This isn't just a book. It's a journey into the mysteries of existence, a framework that connects the physical and the metaphysical, the seen and the unseen. But before you take that step, I want to hear your thoughts. Write your opinion, share your ideas. Do you believe the current theory of gravity is complete, or are you ready to embrace a new perspective? Let's start the conversation here, because the future of discovery doesn't begin with answers, it begins with you.